Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lendarvic Fashion, and I'm your teacher, May Spiritu Vasquez. Okay, for today's session, I'll be showing you on how to construct the cowl neck, which we cut from our previous session. And the design of that one, it's like the one I'm wearing. Okay, let's get started. Get the front and fold the facing, or we're going to cut the selvage first. Then fold this edge of the facing. So this is the front. I need to turn this one facing the wrong side. What we need to do is stitch this part on the shoulder. Now the appearance of the front. This is the armhole. You are going to stitch this one so that it's not going to move. On the other side. After stitching those important parts, so the right side must be facing down, and get your back and join these shoulders. This is the shoulder, so you have to attach it here. Okay, and then attach the facing for the back. This is the facing. I'm going to put a notch. This part, center, and here also. Then put these two notches together, then turn it and follow the stitches here on the shoulders. Then clip it here on the round part. Then stitch on top of the facing on the round part only. And then fold this hemline of your facing. And then stitch this together also on the armhole part. Okay, now attach these two sides together into the front seam. You can fold the hemline now. Cut your sleeves and stitch it. You're going to cut this part for the shirring part here. Now you have to stitch at least one line from the cut. You loosen the adjustment of this thread. Now you're going to pull the inner thread. You'll get the body of your project, and you have to check first the size of the armhole. Do it this way. And then finish first, because this is the purpose of not finishing immediately. You have to measure here like this. This sleeve is loose, so you're going to tighten by pulling the thread or for the shirring part. Okay, and you have to match the size of the armhole and the sleeve. Okay, now you have to put a knot here. and balance the shearing. It's quite tight, so you have to loosen it. Okay. The next thing to do is to fold the hemline of your sleeve. So repeat same procedure here on the other side. Now I'll just show you on how to attach the elastic. Get a 3/8 width of elastic and measure this area. Just make a quite tight. Don't make it too tight or too loose. Tighten a little. Okay. This is okay. Get 2 pieces and then joint here. To mark it. Get the center of this one also. Okay. Now it's already marked and ready to attach the elastic. Just leave 1 inch from the edge of the hemline of the sleeve. And while stitching, you're going to stretch the elastic. You have to pin the center of the elastic to the center of the sleeve and stretch it this way. You have to balance the elastic. Okay. Then repeat on the other side. It's just like that, okay? Same procedure. You have just seen on how to sew this cowl neck, and for more updates, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.